Imagine that you type a few lines, hit go, and your AI writes a compelling product description or generates a hyper-realistic poster in your exact aesthetics. What if you didn't have to craft that prompt yourself? There's a growing side hustle where people sell perfect AI prompts like digital gold. So welcome to PromptBase, your one-stop prompt marketplace. Let's unpack how it works and whether it's worth the hype. So PromptBase is a unique global marketplace where you can buy or sell high-quality prompts for platforms like ChatGPT, MidJourney, Stable Diffusion, and more. On PromptBase, creators upload expert design prompts, set their own prices, and connect payouts through Stripe. But before we dive into the features, let's see what users are saying about it. So on Trustpilot, PromptBase only has about 6 reviews, so we're not diving into broad data here, but the feedback is eye-opening. One seller shared a rough experience after helping a buyer successfully use their prompt. The buyer requested a refund and left a 1-star review, resulting in lost earnings and even temporary ban. The seller says they couldn't even reply to the review due to platform restrictions. On the flip side, other users say the platform is smooth and professional, praising its intuitive interface, well-crafted prompts, and prompt customer service. So mixed feedback. Just make sure you're clear on the terms, especially around refunds and disputes. So now let's discuss the core features of it one by one. So let's kick things off with feature 1, that is exploring prompts, because let's be real, this is where the magic starts. When you land on the PromptBase homepage, you're instantly greeted with trending prompts from whimsical MidJourney art styles to ChatGPT coloring books, logo render generators, portrait photographers, and more. Everything's super visual. Each tile shows what AI model it's made for, such as ChatGPT, MidJourney, DALL-E, etc., a sample image or preview. The price usually between $3.99 and $6.99, and reviews like that Halloween ... prompt, which has 500 plus 5-star reviews. You can also filter by model, category, or use case, or just use the search bar to find exactly what you need, whether that's an art generator, a social media caption prompt, or even journal designs. And when you click on a prompt, it gives you everything: seller details, test results, output examples, instructions, and what exactly you'll get after purchase. Honestly, it's like Etsy, but for AI brains. Now let's move on to feature number 2. So feature 2 is for creators. If you're someone who knows how to write clever, efficient prompts for ChatGPT, MidJourney, or DALL-E, you can list and sell your own prompts in just a few steps. So here's how it works. Start by creating a new prompt listing. You'll fill out a short form where you choose your generation type, such as text, image, code, etc. The model, it's made for a title and a description explaining what it does and why it's useful. You can add something like vibrant startup logos for MidJourney or TikTok hook generator for ChatGPT. Simply upload your actual prompt file. This includes the full prompt templates, variables, and optional usage instruction. Base encourages you to add example outputs to boost buyer confidence. Then you get to choose the model version like GPT-4 or ChatGPT image and hit next. Then you get to connect Stripe to enable payouts, set your price typically between $1.99 and $6.99, and then you're officially a prompt seller. So the dashboard tracks your views, sales, reviews, and lets you manage everything from one place. You keep 80% of the earnings, and PromptBase takes a 20% cut for hosting and discovery. So whether you're a designer, copywriter, AI geek, and even a teacher, PromptBase turns your AI smarts into passive income. So that's the end of feature number 2. Now let's move on to feature number 3. So feature 3 is where PromptBase takes things from side hustle to full-on freelance career, thanks to their AI creator marketplace. When you click on the Hire tab, PromptBase lets you join as either a client looking to hire for AI-related projects or a creator looking to offer your skills and win jobs. So if you're a creator, all you need to do is fill out a quick profile, highlight your skills like prompt writing, image generation, chatbot training, or custom tool building, then browse available gigs, submit proposals, and get to work. You'll see creators like Ben here charging $45 an hour and completing over 200 jobs rated 5 stars. And yet PromptBase handles payment security, so there's escrow protection for both sides. If you're a client, you can post custom projects and connect directly with the top-rated AI expert from all over the world, whether you want a prompt tailored to your business or a fully structured ChatGPT bot for customer service. You'll find the right talent here. It's like Fiverr meets Upwork, but for AI professionals only. Now let's see who benefits the most out of this tool. So this tool is perfect for AI users who want quick, high-quality prompt outputs without trial and error, prompt engineers looking to monetize their craft, businesses and marketers who need consistent, creative prompts fast, freelancers and agencies tapping into custom prompt jobs through the creator marketplace. In short, anyone who wants better AI results or wants to earn from prompt engineering. Since no tool is perfect, there are a few areas of improvement: support and dispute handling, reports of unresponsive or unclear support, could deter serious sellers. Quality consistency, prompt quality varies. It'll help if stronger vetting or curation standards exist. Platform design, the interface feels a bit dated. Some critics rate it 5 out of 10 for modern design. Model coverage, it covers major models, but niche AI systems aren't supported yet. Before we wrap up, let's talk about 2 extras that sweeten the deal. First is affiliate programs. So yep, PromptBase offers an affiliate program. If you're a creator or influencer, you can share your referral link and earn commissions whenever someone buys prompts through it. Super handy if you're already reviewing or promoting AI tools. So here's the bottom line. If you're tired of wasting time writing the perfect prompt, PromptBase is like walking into a digital toolbox full of ready-made creativity, from coloring books to startup pitch decks. It's all here. And if you're a creator, this is one of the easiest ways to turn your AI skills into actual income. Whether you're selling templates or freelancing on the creator marketplace, the platform is easy to use, selling setup is super beginner-friendly, buyer pricing is affordable, and yes, you can scale this into a real side hustle. Downsides are that some support issues have been reported, prompt quality varies depending on the seller, so PromptBase is still evolving, but it's already one of the most practical money-making tools in the AI space right now. Try it for yourself using the affiliate link in the description and tell me in the comments whether you'd rather buy prompts, sell them, or get hired as a creator.